Wonder shall never end. Another one don't happen again, my people. As I dey talk to now, Prophet David Yahweh don't boss come out again, my people. This one, so when he carry come, my people, he heavy, not be small matter. Oh, this one he scatter everywhere. In fact, table break everywhere. Nyanga nyanga, not be small something, my people. Prophet David Yahweh don drag many people come out o. I no know wetin come dey happen. Una know the people when dey always dey drag o. My people, no be small something o. E say they are fake. E say they no dey collect money. Why they dey collect money? They dey sell water. Say rain water na it be best water. E no know why when people dey buy their water. Say he don use money take buy water 70,000. Say for one church when they worry. Say they don chop amugu. Say now, he don come out, he don open eye o. Say he go make people open their eye well. Say they dey scam people. Say this time around, may he kaba. He say they no dey collect money. Now, why they collect money? Say people dash them 1 billion naira. Say now they collect the money, go they use until they buy land, they build churches. He say they are fake. Why they pretend? My people, not be small something. No, this one so it loud. He wear shoe, not be small shoe. My people, he tie ikele. He wear makeup join. As I cross this video of Prophet David Yahweh, I watch Dr. Lies, my people. They say wahala no dey finish. Wahala be like bicycle, no be small bicycle, my people. He can still talk about mobile, my people. He say as mobile take by say Naira Marley, how market. He say na so they go take chase all these fake pastors. When they parade themselves, say the time don't come. My people, many things happen for inside this video. May you not come be say I too analyze this video. I go leave for now more for listening to Prophet David Yahweh for wetin he talk for inside this video, and many pastors when still tease, my people. Things they happen. Make una regard.
What is different from this water and this water? Here the very small is Kambaji. Let me expose some false teaching. Let me open your eye. Stop buying holy water. Stop buying Slavic water. Stop buying any water. Stop buying any holy water, anointing water. Stop buying it. Stop freeing yourself. Even if it's 1 naira, don't buy it. Why? Can you reach 1 million? About one person, one uses fake prophet of Satan, told you that any other million Satan. But the same fake prophet is busy selling the same water to you because you don't have sense. He condemns other ones just to manipulate you, so he will see his own water as special. That's why he can buy water. He call it Satan. Seraphim water is equal to Satan water. Don't buy it. Why are you buying Seraphim water? You see in the Bible, God asks you to sell water. The same person said he doesn't collect money. He's selling water. The same person said if you go to water to pray, he said, tell him that I say so. Let him come and prove to us. Where Bible say, Bible say if you go to water, you're Satan. Let him show us inside Bible. We want to know those fake people. But I'm going for what you grab image. It's complete Satan because Bible is against it. So tell me what is different from this water that flows from heaven and this one, and one that is on the ground. The water in the ocean, that is the same water came out from ground. That is the same water that falls. I started ministry at my young age in 1990. I seen almost of all those prophets, pastors, reverend father making noise on social media in the ministry. I know things of the spirit, and I will never allow you to be deceived. Why do you think if I want to pray for someone that say get your water inside house, I'll pray for thousands of people? I heal HIV, kidney problem, many sickness, fibroid, different sickness, spiritual sickness, just with water. They did not see me. They did not come to me. I didn't see them. I didn't know them. Just unfold with water. So why the water? Why is it that I'm using water? And why I not send them my own water? I used to have water that I sell. But these are the way that churches use to make money. We know those things, but we don't. We say not to throw that way. Because natural things of God, why would we be sending it to people? That's why I don't sell my thing. I only give it to partner. If you join partner, I give you. My water is free, my oil is free. Because of what? The same water that I want to sell for you is the same water you have in your house. Why would somebody just confuse you and you like to be you like to be man, you like to be atoro? The same water you have in your house. Somebody sell for you 10,000. That I afford that I bought water for 70,000 before. The same water. You don't even up to this. See, some small water. A prophet have mind, they worry, send it to us, 70,000. I will buy. And you feel that one. That water did not use it upon it. Because all of them are set. They have that one is even more than they have invoked spirit of demons inside it. So get water in your house this morning. I want to do one miracle for everybody. I want to prove what I preach. Practical. Get water in your house. Yeah, just today I was learning things. I said, okay, let me teach this. Send this message to Ebuko Bizayo. They're always calling other people fake. He's not a virgin, he's a criminal. Tell him I said so. If he's a virgin, let him come and prove to the whole world that he's a virgin. Okay, you're a virgin, you claim you're a virgin. But when we tell you we are God on earth, we are angels, he say we are fake. You don't believe. But somebody is fooling you, telling you he's a virgin, you believe. Who told you that you have not slept with a man? And even if you're a virgin, what's so special about a virgin? Do God who use virgin to qualify a man? Abraham have children. I did a mighty thing. Elijah he did a mighty thing. So when the virgin became the way of worshiping, it can be virgin because demons are sleeping. You never see a virgin that is a virgin covenanted to Satan. He's not a qualified that virgin is nothing. That is a title. And you're a virgin, it means nothing. It's nonsense. Because there's no criteria to show that it's virgin, that even a virgin not supposed to work for God because I have no experience. All the people that work for God are not virgin. They are even King Solomon, King David, and all of them. They marry many wives so they can be able to understand who God is. If your father was a virgin, how will you come out to this world? Get sense. If your mother was a virgin, how will you come out to this world? So that he say you're a virgin, do you know the demons that came to sleep? You don't know that he can marry in the kingdom. He can enter a covenant with Satan. And he will not sleep with any other woman. You don't know. Many occultic people do not have wife. Some don't want, some they marry wife, the woman will die. You do know the mystery behind the virgin. So you say you're a virgin, that doesn't qualify you a man of God. That is nonsense. Even Virgin Mary, you claim is Virgin Mary, did not born only Jesus Christ. It wasn't Virgin Mary again. He could have remained virgin now. After the Virgin Mary, he went to marry Joseph and have other 6 children. So what concern the word of God with virgin? That the virgin is nonsense. So don't use virgin as a manipulation that you're a virgin. Virgin of what? Where in the criteria Bible says virgin that will minister? You're a virgin. You're not even qualified to minister to people of God because you need to minister with experience. That's why Apostle Paul, they can do mighty things. Because of what? They persecuted children of God, and when they converted, they already become army, like the Yahweh. That's why we're not afraid of anybody. Because we're on the streets, we're everywhere. If you want problem, we'll fight it. Physical, we'll fight it. And I want you to do it. Because we have seen that nothing he can do. We have first problem. If you don't face problem, how can you preach about the Christ? You think to preach gospel is all about drinking tea and drinking bread. You think gospel of Yahweh is easy. Why is it battle of Moses? What if you think my battle to preach gospel is all about fear, talking about Jesus Christ? Then why did Elijah have to fight? Why did Moses fight? And why did David fight and kill many conquer? So because all those you're preaching is not a gospel of God. God is not what? They say where that the Spirit of God is, there's liberty. And they have not given us spirit of fear. Any man that is afraid of any man is not a work of God, not working for God. Okay, the police will arrest you because you become afraid. They say police will arrest you because afraid. You are afraid because you are afraid because you don't know your right. You are afraid because you're waiting for Satan. You are afraid because you don't know your God. I am not afraid of any police. Because I know that, see, like I told you, this is my problem. Any prophet that tries anything, your church will chop down. They will burn it like the way they burn. They will run like Manana. Yes. He give us a light that make you to become real and other people are fake. He will run like Ramane. I told you. You think I'm joking? Oh, when the man who did not see me, they shot me God. But many of them died till today. Share it. You know, you have not meeting your match. See, when you meet your match, you see that you're a baby. Forget the money. We have seen money. We have seen trouble. So before we come out and put our face without putting mask, you should know that we are ready to die in this gospel. This is only gospel that can liberate my people. And it must come with revelation. It will come with war. It will come with sword. It will come with conqueror. If you stand on the way, we send you to hellfire. Do you who cares to know how much you have? Because we have evidence that people inside church. The same occultic thing that happened in the church is what happened in music industry. The same drug business that's going on in music industry that's going on in church. That's why you can have God to tell people he will send assassin. If you're not a drug, how are you fighting to protect your church of Satan? All of you, big church are drug dealers. Don't worry. If government finish with the music industry, government have to also look at all the big churches. All of you are drug. Prove it to us. You don't collect money. How did you get all those money that you're a virgin? Then how did the virgin love money so much that you acquire land? A virgin build a hotel. A virgin have mansions. A virgin have a hospital. A virgin have a hotel. A virgin have, you don't like money. And you tell me you preach gospel. What you preach is gospel of Satan. Let us know who is a criminal. If you say God will love you, sell all those your land, sell that hotel, sell the hospital, and that's it to the widows. Or wear it, that's what, brigade divide this money and give to people. Don't come and tell us it's under Zion. No. You see, you are supposed to be an example. Did Jesus Christ build a hotel? No. Did Jesus Christ sell water? No. Did Jesus Christ have hospital? No. Did Jesus Christ build a church? No. So how can you tell us you're a virgin and you claim to be real? You're a fake. If you want to become real, sell all those things that you have. Then sell that salon grand. Go to the street and do preaching. They will believe you. You're real. That is the way to know. Rehabonki never built any church. He traveled all the way. Came to last program he did in Nigeria was there. They spent 1.something billion. They did that program in Okota. So if you are thinking you can use good street mouth or you can use straight or you can use police to threaten people, use this Nanamali own to set example. Now I've been saying it before it happened. Any day you will try anything, that your church, you think you will go to jail and you confirm that this world does not belong to one man alone. They only follow you because they don't have say. But when they find out you're evil, you will see that even those your men that are drug that is sponsoring you, they will run away. When government begin to arrest them one after another, ask them, how did you get $1 billion to sow? You prove to us the work you do that gave you that money that you sold to fake profit, and after everything, when you collect money, your pocket is full. Show us 10 years ago when you preach, nobody should collect money. You don't have it. Show us 5 years ago. That time you're using one room. That time you're using one room and they don't have anything. Show us where you say nobody should collect money. Then those people that you're asking, so see for water mother, so see for this one, pay money for project. Is there any way the Bible told you to go and be collecting money and be building building house for him? There's no praise God mentioned that. Even King David that want to build a house for God, God said, you cannot build my holy temple because of what? Your hand is full of what? Satanic and blood. We know Bible. You come and say water is fake. Anybody that go to water is evil. He said the same water. You come and say anybody that collect money is fake. Then you collected 1.something billion. You're not fake. To the you and kill your mama there. Because you have a rise. You have manipulated people. When you look, I tell you this criminal, when they look at their pockets, it's like that Damina. That pastor that used to make him out. If you need house, so money. If you need baby, so money. If you need what, so money. Yeah, they have been saying that, preaching that nonsense till now. You find out that people are already getting white. The video have come, opening people's eyes. And they now begin to change the music. Thank God. You see, after I preach, people are preaching it now. So listen very well. What is different from this water and this water? What is in the water? I can drink this one. I can also drink this one. They are all water. You come and say, even for me, before you come and say, pray for me, it's free. Call Ebukobi and ask him where you're sowing your seed. Tell them to pray for you. You don't have their number. You know the shape. Call Mbaka that you go in there spend million. You don't have his number. But you can have my number to call me and I'll give you this. You still have man to tell me one or two things. The grace. Now you buy the phone for me. Or will you tell me what I will do with my phone? The people are perished for lack of knowledge. No, you go there because you see crowd. You will be happy for them to video you. Then you now come here, will put you, say, why would you put it? Many of you that I do prayer for, you don't give your testimony. You don't come and testify. God I serve is a jealous God. Don't call me when that problem starts again because you must give your testimony. No. You come, you don't have money to come. Then when I now have the knowledge to help you with the little money to solve your problem so you will not die, you call me fake. But you will spend all your millions, go to somewhere and stay there for 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 month, without even seeing, without any result, but you will not say, you will not talk it. You will still follow them and call it fake. Then when you're not about to die, your money have finished. Everything have finished. That time you remember that this one now, let me try. You know, try who? Go to that place, you'll be showing your millions. Call them on phone, let them help you. So we will not enter our own. We are spiritual people. We are doing spiritual work. We are fake. Why will you call us where you know you are fake? Call your reverend father, call your fake Zion. You should have their number where you're sowing your seed, pay your tithe, and give your offering. You should have their number in your evil day to call them. Then your evil days, you're calling somebody you have not given 1 naira. You're calling the altar that you have not recognized. You're calling the same place he said that they should not give seed, they should not give tithe. Then why are you calling us? Where do you expect us to even buy data to pray for you? Movid have died, now you're crying. But when he was alive, he's telling you, this one they want to kill me. If I died, I hear this one. But you didn't do anything. What did you do to me? Have you even called that useless Nalamani to book? Ask him, what is he transpiring with and this guy until he died? Many have gone like that. So when we are talking, we're not making sense. We're 7 souls. On this matter, I've raised the debt. On this mountain, demons have come down to promise me billion. So I know what I'm saying. I stand on the truth. Don't be fool, my people. The same water you can take in your house, 100 naira, and pray inside, and use it to clear yourself. The same water somebody will sell for you 100,000, and you'll be happy. Because you have been brainwashed. They'll be told you that this water is something special. What's different from this water and this one? This one and the one where they fall from heaven like this. I go drink and nothing, you not go do me anything. This one is even more heavier than this one. So the original one now, they make you believe that the original water that fall from heaven is evil. They make you believe that this water now, that is satanic. This one now, do you know that this water now, they put it on the sun, it has become acid. But today, he will think of this, he will think of this, he want to dry Range Rover, he want to dry this one. One person that owns church, he want to build, he want to buy the whole land. But they call it the work of God. And in that your church, there's a house of apostle there. Why wouldn't you start sharing the work? Give them money, let them go and evangelize. Bring that inside that 1 billion, bring 500 million, call all the prophets, all the pastors, all the upcoming evangelists. Don't collect money, come and take 10 million, use and start. He will not do it. Then you call yourself a real man of God. You're not your fake. You only after your money, you have collected money, your pocket is full. If you say you're not a fake man of God, show us 10 years ago. Because anyway, this is the question I'll ask you. Show us 10 years ago when you said nobody should give you money when you're using 1 room. I will know you're a real prophet. Sell all those your Serafi water, sell all those your Serafi hotel, give you to report. Sell that hotel, dash it to people, give you to everything. Sell all those your cars, give you to report. Use leg. Aha. When you say you're a virgin, because you're a virgin, you don't matter. What are you using all those things to do? Share it to people. Why are you dragging it? Leave it to workers. Let them be using it. Let me say I will have 1 million now. You will not like it. You don't collect money. Which pastor that will collect 1 billion if it's not set up, if it's not deceived? Do you know what is 1 billion? Do you know what is 1 billion? And you collect it You come and tell us you're sent. You're not sent. Which power do you have to confuse people? Is there any praise that people ask God asks you to deceive people to collect money from them in the Bible? Is there any prayer God say people should contribute money to build his house? No. It's just in the Bible.
My people, shey una don watch the video when they drag them like generator. E no wan leave them for waste. He say mehi kaba. He say they are not genuine men of God. Say they are fake. My people, no be small something. Oh, he say nah, he don't come at all. Say Naira Marley how market. He said the way when they take the drag Naira Marley now, when Nigeria take stand, now so they go take stand now. Say they don't open eye. Say all these fake pastors when they parade themselves, say they go hear them. Say very soon they go put fire for church, my people. No be small something. No, I don't know what it can they happen. If they drag them like generator, I don't know what they suck my people. Now yeah, now I want for live on. I mean, not come be say I too talk and wait on. I go help me do my people. Make una they help me. They share this video so that it will reach others' hand. May they for watch this video. May they listen to Prophet David Yahweh. Wait till he they talk. Wait till he they nyai my people. Una bye bye.